Hey, what you doing?
Check it out. I'm thinking about doing whole house audio. Audio that we can listen to, like music in every single room.
Yeah, but what if I want to listen to something different?
No, I'm telling you, this unit or this system actually will allow me to listen to something completely different than you. We can even design, like set it up as we go, each room to listen to your music or my music.
Yeah, but how much is it going to cost me?
What if I told you we can actually afford it? And that, like, if I wanted to do 10 rooms, the cheapest I could do it is $400.
That's pretty hard to believe.
I know. Let me show you how to do it right now. For this whole house audio project, I chose to use the Arylic products. Now, I've used these in the past, and they're just really easy to use. They just use your existing wireless internet to connect to each other, and they have a wide variety of products that coexist and are very simple to set up. They also have a wide array of listening options, including Bluetooth, auxiliary, and all of these streaming options, including NAS. Now, if you're not familiar with NAS, it's just a way to plug up a computer or a hard drive with all of your music downloaded onto it, and you can stream it to any of these devices. Now, you might be thinking that you need to go through a major renovation to add whole house audio. And even though I'm going through one, you can tell with just the MDF countertops, it's not necessary with these products. These actually easily integrate with all of your existing audio products, such as your amplifiers and even your speakers. Now, I chose to hook up 4 rooms for this video. They're each going to be in completely different locations of the house, and that's just going to show you the range that the system has. So what rooms am I going to hook up? Well, I'm going to hook up my guest bedroom so our guests can have a nice relaxing night's stay when they're staying with us. And since I want to listen to some music while I'm working, I'm going to hook up my office and my workshop. And of course, I'm going to hook up the living room. Now, the biggest reason why I'm going to hook up the living room, I can broadcast anything that I'm watching on my television to all the other rooms. You may not think that's pretty cool, but think about Super Bowl parties. That is going to be awesome. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and hook this thing up. Don't worry about remembering the product names. I'm going to put them all in the description of the video for you so that you can just click on the link and look at each one individually. For the living room, I chose the S50. Now, this is a preamp only, but it does have digital optical out and coax out. It also has all the bells and whistles such as aptX HD. Now, since this is my main listening area, I decided to put what I consider their best product in here. This is as easy as plugging in the power, running the audio out of my television into this unit, and running the RCA out into my receiver. In this case, the CD port. Now, for the guest room, I had an old pair of Klipsch bookshelf speakers that I wasn't using, but I didn't have an amplifier. For that reason, I chose the A50. The A50 is an amplifier and preamp in one. So along with the built-in streaming unit, it has a 2x50 watt powered amplifier. For this, I only had to wire up the speakers to their terminals on the back of the amplifier and plug up the power. It was really easy to do. The office was a little bit different. I used a DIY board, so it's basically the S10 without a case. Since I can easily hide this by attaching it to my desk, I just chose a cheaper DIY board. I did hook this up to the computer with a 3.5mm input and a 3.5mm output to my computer speakers. It's important to note that I could have easily just hooked up a USB cable as well. Now, since the speakers are powered, I didn't need an amplifier, thus saving me money. Now, my workshop, I chose to use the S10 preamp. Since there will be a lot of dust and wood particles flying around, I thought it was best to have a case. Now, I have nothing else I want to input into the preamp, so once again, all I had to hook up was the RCAs into the amplifier and the power cord that came with the preamp unit. And that's it. All 4 rooms are hooked up. What you can already tell is that hooking these up to your existing equipment is super easy. That's one of the things that really drew me to the system. The only thing left to do is download the app 4Stream and hook it up to each device. Now, this is easier to do when you actually first power up each unit, but you can do it at any time. However, you're probably going to have to do a power cycle to hook it up for the very first time. You just have to follow the prompts in the app, and then in the end of it, you label each room as you go. Once you're finished, you're ready to enjoy whole house audio. The app will show you all the rooms that you have hooked up and the different streaming services they offer. It'll even update your firmware. If you see that red news sign, it means that there's a firmware update. I encourage doing these as it often adds more streaming services. Now, in order to create different zones, you just need to drag and drop. Whatever room you drag into another room, it will now become part of that zone.
Playback and sync.
And play the exact same music. You can put all of your rooms in one zone or even split it up to multiple zones, with the max zones being the max units you have hooked up. Now let's see how this works in real life. Alright, so we got all 4 hooked up. We're in the living room. Let's check it out. Playing. Let's go to the office. Oh, wait, actually guest room. Let's go to the guest room. Oh, construction. Oh yeah. Oh, all right. Let's check out the office. This will be number 3. Oh man, this is a long hike. Oh yeah, I can already hear it. Playing in the office. Okay. Oh, if you're at the workshop, surely it won't reach out to the workshop. Granted, it'll only work out there as long as you have internet access, so let's see. All right. Oh my goodness, it's a long hike. Oh. Okay. I can already start to hear it. Oh wait, no, that might have been. Yeah, that was. I know. Yep, I was right. It was hearing it. There it is. That's all 4 more rooms, perfectly in sync. As you notice, you didn't hear any delay or anything in the music. I mean, it's just really, really cool to be able to do that. I'm going to close this door so I can talk to you a little bit more in peace. I love this system. I mean, it's awesome. I can't wait to add more units, and I will. I'll be adding some to the kitchen. I'm sure I'll do a video when I do that. I got 4 in-ceiling speakers going in this kitchen, which should be really awesome to be able to play off of this. And eventually I'll add the master bedroom, probably. Now you can see that it really did work like a charm. But what does my wife think about it?
All right, now that it's finished, what do you think about it? Was I right? Did it deliver, and was it worth the price?
Yeah, it's pretty awesome because your music is not what I like to listen to.
Ditto.
Now if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more awesome content, hit that subscribe button. And if you ring the bell, you're going to get notified every time I upload. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up so that I know my work is being appreciated. This is 123 Toyed, and I'm out.